Hi guys, welcome again to Ocrest TV. This is my kitchen. You're in Ocrest kitchen today. Fruit tea. It's nice. So today I'm making pasta for my family, and this is chicken. So I'll be using this chicken breast. So it's been marinated, seasoned, everything. So I'll be using it to make my pasta today. This is the pasta. This is the frozen vegetable. This is sweet bell peppers. We're gonna cut them in chunks, and this is king prawns. Okay, so and this is chicken stock. Actually, I defrost them from my freezer. So we shall be making pasta. So come along with me as I start the preparations. Hot water is boiled already, and I shall drop in a few drops of olive oil, just a few drops, just so the pasta don't stick together. So and shall be going in now with my pasta. I like Fusilli. They are nice. They are nice. So I just want to make something nice for the family this afternoon. So I shall be pouring the pasta into the hot water, and that's fine. In the water, and that's it. Think it's I'll add a little bit of pink Himalayan salt, just so to give it a bit of taste. So while the pasta is just cooking here, I'll start to fry the chicken with a bit of olive oil. So we'll just and we add some chopped onions. That's it, pretty much. And so we shall be frying this chicken breast with the onion. It's been marinated and kept for the past an hour 30 minutes. So it's been properly marinated, and it's gonna cook in the hob with the onion, and we're gonna cover it and allow it to now the pasta is ready, so we shall take it off the fire, and then we shall cover the chicken to cook on slow heat. So I like to make my pasta with passata tomato by Freshona. We got this from Lidl, so it's kind of good. You don't have to cook for too long to have a sweet taste. And I shall be adding some red bell peppers. These are sweet ones, so they are good. And to make my sauce, and as I'm making that, you will see it. Now shall be cutting the vegetables, the bell peppers, just to get some nice chunk into the sauce cooking over there. So we're gonna add some sweet bell peppers, sweet pointed peppers as well. I like them in my food, the colored ones. So we shall be adding all this into it as we prepare the sauce for the pasta. Thanks guys. It's still simmering through. It's cooking on low heat. We shall leave it there and add some chicken stock, okay, to form part of the sauce for the pasta. So it's just cooking. It's gonna simmer through. So the chicken is just simmering through, and once they are ready, they are tender. Oh my god, it's soft. We don't want it to be dry, so it's been simmering on a low heat. So we'll let it just keep simmering to still, yeah, so it's succulent inside. We don't want it dry now. Chicken is ready. We shall add the prawns, the king prawns, to cook as well. So but just now we'll leave the chicken to simmer through more. And this is the sauce. The sauce is just coming up. It's just coming up. So we'll just look if it's the right consistency. Not yet. So we'll leave it to simmer through a bit before we add the vegetables. And to add some either coconut milk, or this is double cream, fresh double cream. I'll add some bits in it. So just to thicken it, and I like that in my pasta. That's it. That's it. That's it. The will soon dissolve because it's blocked. Add a bit of salt to taste, just a little bit of salt to taste, just a little, and a bit of mixed spice, just mixed one. So it's just not too spicy. Some people in my home don't like spice. Then chicken, I like chicken spice on it. Not everyone goes with the spice, so that's fine. Add a bit of Knorr cube, just one Knorr cube actually. It's just a bit of Knorr cube there. So add a bit of Knorr cube. Yeah, that's the two will do. That's fine. That's pretty much everything. And I shall fold in the Fusilli pasta in the pot. Now I shall stir it just so it soaks into the sauce, and stir it over again, stir it over here. That's it coming together, and the chicken is just coming up. This is the chicken, it's all well cooked now, and now I shall add some frozen vegetable. I like frozen vegetable in my pasta. I shall let us also will have some bay leaves in it, and we shall let it simmer through. Yes, everything is just coming together. It's just coming together. It's nice. I love it. We shall let it simmer for a couple of minutes, and it's all ready. Once the veggies are ready, it's all ready, and chicken is just coming up. That's fine. So while the pasta is getting ready, it's all ready now. The pasta is ready, and the sauce is just coming up. This is sweet pepper sauce, different kind of peppers in it, and chicken below it to go with the pasta. Everything is coming up. While that was going on in my home, some people don't like hot or peppery stuff, so I made this for them, the pasta. But I made something nice for me. That's catfish pepper soup. It's for myself, and I'll enjoy that when they are enjoying what they like, which is pasta. My home is basically pasta. Almost every other day they like pasta. They like baked beans, they like sauce, pepper sauce, so that's it over there. That's the meal. The sauce coming together, that's chicken in it, and that's prawn. That's how we want the sauce to be. And the peppers, everything in it, so the sauce is just coming together, just simmering through. And this is the pasta is all ready. Fish pepper soup, everything is just all ready. So we shall let this cook for the next 10 minutes, and that's it all ready now. Okay, so we're gonna be adding some baby broccoli to this sauce, so it's just gonna be so rich. Just simmer it a little bit and then dish it and enjoy. Thank you. The food now already is all ready now, well cooked. The pasta and the sauce, everything is ready. It's about to be dished now, with some chicken breast all sliced up. So who wants to eat now?
I don't eat. Yeah.
Darling, do you want to eat now? Okay, I'll just serve one. Okay, so I'll just serve a portion for my darling. Okay. and just a portion here. So that's it. And we're gonna have some chicken portion. That's fine. That's it. And a bit of vegetable sauce to go with it. So vegetable and prawns just over here. So we're having some vegetables. I think that's the right portion. Okay, that's fine. And a bit of prawn again for my sweetie pie.